Pinky clipper,
Let me
nigga.
get a chicken nugget from Burger King. Let me get a chicken.
The line of you weak with a little ding-a-ling. Bandana got a long dick like a limousine. No high yellow nigga with the little ass dick. Back of your head smell like burnt grease. You a bitch, your 626 on Lilo and Stitch looking ass. Your nutsack smell like cut grass. Your elbow smell like knee pads. Need to watch till you talking too sorry, nigga. You don't want this with the nectarine. Pussy so wet like Irish Springs. I'm cross-eyed, but that's my thing. Front of your teeth smell like propane. Before you met me, nigga, you was a lame. Tryna add brand new, now you tryna go change. Fuck you, nigga, with the little deal. Pick a old fish hook dick like a candy cane. Yo. I feel yo.
Hey girl, right there, why your booty little stink? Why the back of your neck smell like a flare drink? Open your mouth, smell like wet paint. Forehead wide like an arm retain, like nothing. You ain't scared nothing. Girl, you out of style like an easy bake up. Why your nose like a half-baked muffin? You got a mustache like David Ruff. Look at this bitch right here tryna rap. Smell like biscuits and no jock straps. Bitch on D-Lo, coming on the mouth, saying, "Ho, you look sleepy, take you a nap." What's going on? Tell me what the hell. Lips so crusty, you need lip chap. Don't you ever try to battle